In the previous chapter, a young Earth had finally taken shape, but one final catastrophe was about to rewrite our planet forever. This single impact would create the moon, stabilize Earth, and prepare the world for life. Welcome to Universe Explained. One final catastrophe would forever reshape our planet, create the moon, and prepare Earth for the incredible journey toward life. Around 4.5 billion years ago, a young protoplanet roughly the size of Mars, known today as Theia, in the leading scientific hypothesis, crossed Earth's orbit. Drawn together by gravity, the two worlds raced toward an unavoidable collision. When they finally struck, the impact unleashed more energy than billions of nuclear explosions. Vast oceans of molten rock erupted into space as both planets were partially vaporized in an instant. Yet the story did not end there. Much of the glowing debris remained trapped by Earth's gravity, forming a brilliant ring of molten rock around the planet. Over the next few thousand years, gravity slowly gathered this orbiting material together until a new world was born, the Moon. At that time, the Moon orbited far closer to Earth than it does today, appearing several times larger in the sky and creating enormous tides across the planet's molten surface. Even after this colossal impact, Earth remained a blazing world for millions of years. Asteroids and comets continued to bombard its surface, bringing valuable minerals and perhaps even some of the water that would one day fill its oceans. Gradually, the relentless impacts became less frequent, allowing Earth's surface to cool. Thin layers of solid rock formed, only to crack apart again as intense volcanic activity released rivers of lava from deep within the planet. These powerful volcanoes filled the atmosphere with water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and other gases, creating Earth's first atmosphere. It was a hostile world with almost no oxygen, wrapped in thick volcanic clouds unlike anything we see today. As temperatures continued to fall, an extraordinary transformation began. Water vapor condensed into massive clouds, and rain started falling across the planet. It did not rain for days or even years. It rained for thousands, perhaps millions of years. Slowly, water collected in the planet's lowest regions, forming Earth's first oceans. These newborn oceans absorbed enormous amounts of carbon dioxide, gradually stabilizing the climate and preparing the planet for a new chapter. Beneath the oceans, Earth's interior remained alive with tremendous heat as convection within the mantle slowly reshaped the crust, laying the foundations for the first continents. Minerals dissolved into the warm seas, while energy from volcanoes, lightning, and the young sun created an environment rich with chemical possibilities. At last, Earth had transformed from a violent ball of molten rock into a blue world with oceans, an atmosphere, and the essential ingredients for life. Earth had survived unimaginable violence. It had oceans, an atmosphere, and all the ingredients for something extraordinary. But the greatest mystery in our planet's history was only just beginning. In the next episode, the impossible happens. Against all odds, life begins. Follow Universe Explained.